Now, recently, there was a triple murder in St. Lucia. And if you look at this picture, big, low-level war going on in St. Lucia. You have a triple murder.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Countryman channel, biggest YouTube channel worldwide, cover the world, international. Countryman rich and bad, sick and mad. The mother vlogger, they a bitch and fag. Ride out the yang with big flag. Pull up, jump out of the Nissan mad. Countryman rich and bad, sick and mad. The mother vlogger, they a bitch and fag. Ride out the yang with big flag. Pull up, jump out of the Nissan mad. Countryman step for the shoes, hush puppy. You might see him on the news and make enough sloppy. Him love step, him can't settle him feet. Ring gobble and them a call police. St. Lucia people, them a ball for peace. Over Trinidad, Belize is a fucking beast. Fucking beast. Fucking countryman rich and bad. Sick and mad. Them mother vlogger, they a bitch and fag.
Now, I just want to know, listen a little bit of this, and then me a go explain what's going on, because really and truly, me get couple calls from about 5 different intel, and right now, I want the public and the police, because me can't get them information here, and do not put it out there. So this is very, very important. Let's go.
What he usually going there, he came from work, he passed. So he answered, say he coming back now. Why we there we go in the shot. So I call on, I tell my daughter, she not Jesse's all back there. But Jesse just came from Bodily. He came out on the 17th of last month. But that someone was around, which was saying, whoever come out from jail will get it.
Now, when you hear what Jesse mother say, Jesse is the younger brother, you know, the one in the green hat. And he is just 17. I don't even think that little boy is 18 years old yet. But he was in Barbados, and rumor fly say when him come out, he's gonna get it. And that's what the mother said. Listen some more.
I put his head on my lap and I watch him. I call him, he was already dead. With multiple bullet shots all in his ribs, all in his arm, everywhere, and all the bullets on the floor in the balcony. And I stayed there, until the ambulance came, the police came. They go with my son because the other one was still alive. They went with him, but he took a bullet in his back because he fell on his face.
My son drive my vehicle, bring me down there to go and pick up passengers, and I drop him by my home there, and then I go to work. But when I get the phone call, I heard like he get shot. But they don't tell me like he died. That's why I rushing home, but they not allowed me to come home because they have the rebound police around, you know. So when I go at the hospital, they went away with him already. I can't see him. When I come home, then I see the blood outside. They tell me it's my son blood or whatever. 2 of them get shot, they die. And the other one get shot on my balcony. The people go all inside of my balcony, go and shoot the next guy.
No. You see them man a murder? This murder yeah, from when me a year. Down in a Marigot. I don't know who come from Marigot side. And the boy with them call name NEC. So me hear say them money are dead because them money are dead. You understand? The one on the right, him dead first, and then them come back and kill the one up on the left. Now the one on the right, me hear say him did mix up. You understand? Like the young boy upon the other side. So right now, when my intel them a tell me say the 3 triple murder what happened are because of them youth here. What happened to them youth here. And them youth here come from NEC side. Now, well, the younger brother, the 24-year-old, him buried to death. And what the intel them has said, the man them, after them buried a youth, yeah, them at rot. So, more things are gonna happen. But just I tell you now, where my intel them a tell me, say, yo, listen, them kill the two brother. After them do the brother, them get pissed off and do the triple thing. And them say them not done with the triple thing. So now, me have to warn the public, and me have to put the authorities them to be on high alert. In the area where the triple murder happened, in Marigo, because you have them man there, them a war, and the war a get deadly. It may look like it's not a gang war, and it may look like a random thing a go on. No. From them two youth that get pick up, it's like them friends get really uptight, and it seems like them man they have a whole heap of gun. And you see how the man them a step out. So they make a statement, and I'm quite sure the other side I got up on alert too. So right now, we just have make you know it a go get even more bloody. So me I beg the authorities to really stay on top of that one, yeah. Yo, that's all me have to say in this, you know. I feel like I do my job to put it out there. Want the public, want the people them, and let people know what's going on. There's a big low level gangster war going on over there in Marigot. And the man them now play. Hope the police them can stay upon this. Listen, my name is Countryman.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.